everybody, welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am here today with my Macy's May unbagging. So we are going to go ahead and jump into that in just a moment. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, again, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I typically do all things makeup. I do product try-ons, unboxings, all of those things. However, because of some recent surgeries, I have been unable to do any product try-ons, but I did want to go ahead and unbox the products so that you guys kind of knew what was going on in the boxes for this month, and we will do try-ons and kind of see what we think after all, and I can put some makeup on. So please click the subscribe button, join my family, and without any more talk, let's jump into it. So here is the Macy's Beauty box. I do like this cute little bag. It is kind of a seashell shaped or a clam shaped bag with the bottom that's wider. It is kind of a pearlized pink finish, but it is smooth on the outside. And we're going to go ahead and jump right in. So the first product that we have here is the Ageless Bare Minerals. There we go. The Ageless Bare Minerals Photo Retinol Night Concentrate. And so this is a plant power based retinol alternative that is just as effective at reducing fine lines and wrinkles and sun damage. Retail value is $62. We do not have, of course, a full size. It says apply 1 to 2 pumps of it to your face at night after cleansing. Now, I do have to say my face is very, very sensitive, and I typically do better with a photo or a plant-based retinol, which is typically bakuchiol. Because of my eyes, have a hard time reading everything, so I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to tell you whether it's bakuchiol or something else, because that, with my surgery, I can't read right now. Hopefully in a couple of days it'll be better, but I do like that it is vegan. It is gluten-free and nut-free for those of you who have concerns about that. Let's go ahead and open this up. And there is the timeless bottle. It is a pretty good size sample. We're going to go ahead and put a little bit right onto my skin. So that's 2 pumps, so it is not a whole lot right there. That is what they're saying you should put over your whole face. And let's see, it does go quite a long way. It kind of has a clean, lemony smell, which isn't bad at all. I will be very excited to try that once I can actually put things on my face. So that is our first product. Our second product here is the Ageless Peptide Overnight Radiance Peel. And so this says, give your skin some R&R, revitalization and refinement. Skin smoothing AHAs and nourishing botanical oils exfoliate the skin for a bright and silky smooth finish by morning. Retail value is $78. This obviously is not a full size. It says apply nightly onto clear, clean skin. You do have to be careful about mixing vitamin C and retinols and AHAs and all of those things, as well as this does say that it has some essential oils in it. Again, this is so small I won't be able to read that, but I would definitely look it up before trying it if you are sensitive to essential oils. We are going to go ahead and put a little bit right on my hand. We'll put it on this side here. Woo! Oh, that's too much. I'm taking some back. So it comes out very, very quickly. Just a warning there. It is kind of a milky serum right there on my hand. It goes a long way as well, so you only need a little bit. And it has a very florally kind of baby powder smell. So it does have a scent. Be careful with that. So that is the second product. Not bad at all. The third product that I see in here is from Urban Decay. So this is the All Nighter Face Primer Long Wear Foundation Grip. That's quite a name. it says, it's all about the base. Prep your skin with an extra boost of hydration that smooths complexion, hides fine lines, and keeps your makeup exactly where you want it all day long. $36 is the retail value. I actually haven't heard of this specific one from Urban Decay, so I am interested to try it out, especially if it's a hydrating all-nighter, because that sometimes is my problem with the all-nighter products. Although they absolutely make your makeup stay on all night, I am kind of a dry-faced gal, and so sometimes I can look a little dried out from it. Let's put just a little bit of this primer. We are going to put it over on this side. So there's just the tiniest bit of that primer. It is kind of, again, a milky white base. It doesn't feel silicone-y. It feels serum-y almost. It doesn't really have much of a smell, and so there it is on my skin. It doesn't feel dry at all. I am definitely excited to try that under some makeup and see what that's like. Very, very cool. Excited for that little product there. Next product that I see in here is a beautiful Sunday Riley CEO orange tube, and I'm sure this is a vitamin C based something, and it is. It is the CEO Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Get ready for a glow up. All skin types can rejoice in the hydrating antioxidant formula that firms, brightens, and leaves skin feeling impossibly refreshed. $85. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean skin morning and night. Again, please be careful with what products you're mixing. If you have a vitamin C, there are some products you shouldn't be mixing it with. Check it out before you put it on your skin. I am going to put just a little bit on the inside of my wrist here just to see what it looks like. It is a very deceivingly unfilled tube there, so I would store it like this so you can actually get it out. There it is. It is white. It definitely smells like vitamin C powder. It does not go a long way, I don't feel like. Yeah, so there you go. I don't dislike Sunday Riley products. There actually is one that I really, really like. I do think that they are very, very high priced for some of the things that you get. I do think that you can find some really good vitamin C serums that are not quite as expensive, but that's not a bad product at all. Last thing is from a product line that I really wanted to try. This is from High. So this is the High Maintenance Cannabis Peeling Mask. After a busy week, your face could use a boost. Hemp seed oil and antioxidants help to brighten dullness, remove impurities, and promote healthy skin. Retail value $46. Gently massage into damp skin and wash the day away. So as much as it says mask, it's more like a cleanser because you don't leave it on for any length of time. Let's give this thing a smell. It does not smell like cannabis. I am going to put it on the inside of my skin there, just a tiny little bit. It is very, very serum-based, clear, almost like an aloe gel consistency right there on the inside of my skin. It feels nice. It does suds up a little bit there. It is very floral smelling amazingly. The last product that I see in here is a perfume sample. So this is Perfect from Marc Jacobs. And this is a bright daffodil and juicy rhubarb with cashmere and comforting notes of almond milk. That's an interesting description. Let's give it a little spray. It smells florally to me, very florally. I don't smell almond in it very much at all. So there we go. That is our Macy's box. We have quite a few things that I'm interested to try and looking forward to for sure. What did you guys get in your Macy's bag? I think all of them are very, very similar. Is there anything that you're really interested in trying? Have you tried some of these products before and really love them? Drop me a line. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.